Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to choose a comp on the TFT. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and download the TFT if you don't have it downloaded into your PC. If you have it, that will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through right client. And if you don't even have that, you'll have to go and download it into your browser. Sorry for what's happened here. Sorry. So once you open your browser, whatever browser you're using, just go here and type download League of Legends, download TFT, download Riot Client. All of those will download the Riot Client for you. Will take you to the link, of course, that's gonna download that. And of course, once it's downloaded, normally the Riot Client will be opened directly and the games should start downloading. But if it's not, you'll have to go and open manually. Once you open it, you'll find in this section, My Games section, that game that's already downloaded into your PC. If you have the TFT here, just go and download it. Just go and open it up. As if you don't, you'll have to scroll down a bit to download it. In all games section, click at TFT, and then click at the three dots at the bottom right corner, or sorry, left. You can download it and you to your PC through League of Legends, and your iPhone through App Store, and your Android through the Google Play. Choose whatever suits you. Once it downloaded, go and open it up. Of course, they will ask you to log in into your account. If you have an account, just go and log in into it. But if you don't, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, on PC it will open in League of Legends. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one through the browser. Just go here to the URL again and type create a Riot Games account, which will allow you to play all their 5 games with the same account. Once you're logged in into your account, you'll find yourself on a client like this. At the top left corner, you'll find the play option. For me, the game is on, that's why it's not there. But for you, click on it, go choose TFC, choose the game mode, continue, and then choose your taxation and etc. Those stuff. Of course, then find a match. Once the pop-out comes for you, accept, and you'll find yourself on a game like this, as you can see here. So, as we said, we would like to choose a comp. What comp should I go? Especially if I want to win. So, just go back into your browser and go here inside best TFT sorry, should best TFT comps as an example, and click at the enter button. Let's just go. Let's just avoid this first link because it's just like text. It will be hard to follow. So let's just go into the second one. As you can see here, just go for the S tier comps because those are the best comps that will allow you to win. So here, choose whatever comp you like and start building those champions that's shown here. When you build them, you will certainly get the win. And that's how you simply choose a comp. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.